Markets are bracing for fresh U.S. data. GDP and unemployment claims. The forecasts are in, and they could drive the next wave of volatility. Welcome back to the Rob Report, where money meets news. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss an update on data that moves the market. GDP forecast. Preliminary GDP is forecasted at 3.1%, slightly higher than last quarter's at 3%. That would confirm that the U.S. is still expanding at a strong pace, but it also raises the question: can growth keep running this hot without forcing the Feds to hold rates higher for longer? Jobless claims are expected to come in at 231,000, down from 235,000 last week. If the forecast proves accurate, it signals that the labor market remains tight. That's good news for jobs, but it could complicate the Fed's inflation fight. So let's focus on market setup. Let's focus on NASDAQ. What does this mean for the markets and NASDAQ in particular? If GDP claims come in stronger than the forecast, it points to a hot economy and fewer reasons for the Feds to cut rates. Tech stocks, which dominate NASDAQ, typically sell off in that environment because higher yields hurts growth valuations. If the data misses the forecast, that opens the door for earlier rate cuts. The NASDAQ would likely rally as traders price in cheaper money, which fuels tech and growth stocks. If the print comes in mixed, strong GDP but weaker jobs and vice versa, expect a whipsaw action. The NASDAQ could spike both ways as traders try to guess how the Fed will weigh the growth versus labor market softness. We all seen last week Jerome Powell at Jackson Hole hinting towards lowering rates on worse than expected unemployment claims. We all seen what the market did. Immediately shot up at the hint of lowering rates. And that's normal. Usually the market does do a double rally. One at the hint and another when the Fed actually cuts and lowers the rates. In the comment sections, I'm going to tell you how I plan on trading this in case you want to follow through. With that being said, it brings us to the end of this video. It was a really quick, really fast update on economic news that's planning to be released, giving you an edge in the markets. You've been watching the Rob Reports, where money meets news. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe so you stay ahead of every market move. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next market update.